Hello everyone, today we're going to subtract integers. So, if we have 50 minus 10, now 50 is what we call the minuend, 10 is the subtrahend, and then 40 is what we call the difference. Okay, difference is the result of subtracting integers. Then the opposite sign of a given integer is what we call the additive inverse. Now let's say, what is the additive inverse of 50? So the additive inverse of 50 is negative 50. So this is the additive inverse. Or the opposite, okay? Now let's say, what is the additive inverse of negative 50? So the additive inverse is positive 50. To subtract two integers a and then b, so let's say a and then b. So you're going to add the opposite or the additive inverse of b to a. So meaning to say, you will just copy the minuend a, then plus the additive inverse of b. So since that this is positive b, so you're going to make it as negative b. Okay? So let us have an example. Let's say we have same signs. Okay? Let's say we have 40. Let us now subtract integers with the same sign. Let's say 40 minus 10. Automatically, you know that is 30, right? But then if you're going to make use of this formula, so this is equal to 40 plus, this is, we all know that this is positive 10, so change it to negative 10. Okay, so this is the additive inverse of positive 10. Then you're going to add now 40 plus negative 10. So I told you that you have to subtract if we have unlike signs, right? So 40 minus 10, so that is 30. Then what is the sign of the bigger number? We have positive, so the answer is positive 30. How about if we have negative 40 minus negative 10? So this is my technique. We have double negative, we have positive. So we have here negative 40 plus 10. Okay? So we have, this is equal to, unlike signs, automatically you subtract. We have 30. Then what is the sign of the bigger value? We have negative. So we have negative 30, right? So this is for the same signs. Okay? Next, how about if we have different signs? Let's say we have negative 40 minus positive 10. So again, make use of the formula. We have to copy the minuend, negative 40. Then change the sign of the subtrahend from positive 10. Make it negative 10 and then proceed to addition. So plus negative 10. So as you can see, they are now integers with the same signs. Okay? So what are you going to do is you just add. We have 50. Then copy the common sign. Okay. Next, how about if we have 40 minus negative 10? Okay, so told you that negative times negative or double negative, we have positive. So we have 40 plus 10. So this is very easy. We have 50. Okay? So that's it. So this is of different signs. Next, let us now have an example. Let us subtract the following. Let's say letter A. We have 5 minus 6. So, positive 5 minus 6. So, what are we going to do is you copy the minuend, 5. Then, plus, change the sign of the subtrahend from positive 6, make it negative 6. Then, as you can see now, we have integers with unlike signs or different signs. So, what are we going to do is we have to subtract the smaller absolute value from the larger absolute value. So, the absolute value of negative 6 is 6. So, we have 6 minus 5. So, we have 1. Then, after that, you're going to copy the sign of the bigger number. So, we have negative. So, negative 1. Then, next, letter B. Let's say we have 10 minus 1. So, simply the answer is 9, right? But then, if we're going to make use of the process, we have to copy 10, then plus. So, change the sign of the subtrahend. So, from positive 1, make it negative 1. Then, again, since that these are integers with unlike signs, automatically you subtract 10 minus 1. So, we have 9. Then, what is the sign of the bigger number? We have positive. So, the answer here is positive 9. So, no need for you to write positive sign. Next, for letter C, we have negative 15 minus negative 17. Okay. So, again, copy negative 15. Then, plus. Since that we have here negative 17, so change it to positive 17. Then, as you can see, then proceed to addition. Then, as you can see, we have here now integers with unlike signs again. So, automatically, you subtract 17 minus 15. Then, we have 2. Then, what is the sign of the bigger number? We have positive. So, the answer here is positive 2. Next, for letter D, let's say we have negative 30 minus 5. Okay. So, copy negative 30. Then, plus. This is positive 5. Change it. And then make it negative 5. So, get the additive inverse. So, that is negative 5. Then, we have now integers with same sign. So, what are you going to do is, you're going to add their absolute values and use the common sign. So, we have 30 plus 5. So, we have 35. Then, copy the common sign, which is negative. So, this is the answer. Next, letter E. Let's say we have 25 minus negative 40. Okay. So, here you're going to copy 25 plus, change the sign of 40, the subtrahend, or get its additive inverse. So, the additive inverse of negative 40 is positive 40. Then, we have here now 25 plus 40. We have 65. So, the answer is positive 65. Okay, so that's all for today. You know now how to subtract integers. Don't forget to like and then click the notification button for more videos and updates. Thank you.